Hi mga ka-daily!
Yun. Hi mga ka-daily! Today is April 28. Nandito kami sa bahay ng mom and dad. And si Pacey susunduin ng kanyang Tito Egan because they're going to see Monster Jam sa Hamilton. Yeah, see, he's ready. He's wearing his El Toro hat. Unfortunately, hindi siya makakasama sa first communion Ate Riley niya. So susunod na lang sila mamaya hapon. And then, kasabay na natin ang mom and dad kasi hindi nakapag-drive ng malayo si dad. So, sabi mo, I'll see you guys later. So, today is a big day kasi there's a lot of things happening. Kwa ni Riley, first communion niya. And then, ito nga punta sa Monster Jam. So, sayang hindi natin mabalag yung Monster Jam. So, anyways, mamaya-maya ulit, pagbalik natin sa Bari. And then, susunduin na siya. So, stay tuned later, okay? Whoa, here's the boys. They're going to Master Jam. Where are you going, buddy?
I got a zombie hat.
Oh, zombie hat. But where are you going now?
To Monster Jam.
Oh my God, you're going to Monster Jam.
Yeah. 3 weeks is Monster Jam.
All right, let's go. Let's go to the washroom. Okay. Bye, boys. Enjoy, guys. Behave, buddy, huh?
Behave, ha?
Bye, Carmine. Carmine.
Bye.
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 No, they're going to Hamilton to see the monster trucks. Monster Jam. See, there's Tita Andrea. Ready, boys?
Yeah.
Ready? Come on, props, buddy. Props, enjoy. Enjoy. Pacey. Okay, behave yourself, huh? Listen to Tita and Tito, okay? Love you. Love you guys. Okay, take care, guys. Bye. Enjoy. So we're getting ready now. We're almost ready for the church. Say hi.
Hey, mga ka-daily.
Masakit ng kamay na. Ano, nag-hi pa din. Ayan, oh. Say hi, mami, oh. Hi ka naman, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ayan, mga...
Hi mga ka-daily.
Oh. Rian. Si Doktora, oh. Oh, yun na. Mag-press ka mo. Say hi, Riley. Oh my God. Look at that gorgeous kid. Ayan. So, we'll see you guys in the church. And here we are at the church. Okay, come sit there. Huh? Where's Papa? Paano ka, Papa? Okay. Huh? Hi, Riley. Today is your first communion. Alright.
I want you also to remember that because it's our sacred duty to pray for them as they go on the journey of life. Please be seated. After the Mass, the Bishop will be available for the pictures, but while he's dressed,
Mama. Yung kamay.
Good job.
Can I go to a restaurant?
Oh, may vlogger din dito.
Yeah guys, since nandito si Bishop, meron silang special gathering. So, come and check it out.
Everybody's welcome to come here.
There's no eating yet. Yes, I know. Well, that's what I told him, was to get us one.
Congratulations, Riley.
Ow!
Yeah mga ka-daily, so uwi na tayo from the church. Successful naman yung komunyon ni Riley. So magkakameron na tayo ng maliit na salo-salo with the family just to celebrate her first communion. So to kahit malamig, buhay Canada, barbecue pa din. Yan. So, yan natin itong ating chicken, talong, yan tayo, and then meron tayong sardines na fish. Yan, sarap yung pag-inihaw. So, yun lang, stay tuned tayo mamaya. And then, doon si mom and dad sa loob. Yan. So, mamaya ulit guys. By the way mga ka-daily, nandiyan na nga pala si Pacey, si Carmine, pati yung brother ko. Galing sila sa Hamilton to watch Monster Jam and kararating lang nila. So tingnan natin, kamusta natin yung lakad nila sa Monster Jam today. Hey buddy, I miss you man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what
Hey
happened?
Carmine.
What happened? Huh?
Carmine. Yeah buddy, yeah buddy. Oh boy, I miss you buddy. How's the show?
Good.
You get Monster Jam?
I got two.
Oh wow,
I got
alright.
Max D.
Oh, mag-hi ka mo sa mga ka-daily.
I'm on the daily.
Oh, I love you, man.
What's new?
What?
That is new?
I'll need to pick it up.
Wow.
Carmine,
Are you happy?
how was the show, buddy?
Huh?
How's the church? Good?
Mommy. I got
Why was it locked? It's not.
Oh, wow.
Look at this mga ka-daily. You guys see that? Although, this is not good. Mataba siya. So, stick lang tayo sa chicken.
Hi, Daddy.
What is that?
Yan guys. At this natin. Dinner for tonight. Come on, buddy. How was the show?
Can I show you something?
Rabbi, you know that asking about the show. They're asking about the show. Look at
Come, buddy.
The church we go to is what?
Oh, okay.
Can I show you something?
So, tingnan natin naglagay na ako ng fish. Yo. Yan. May fish na. Yan. plan kasi dapat mga ka-daily, magdi-dinner sana. Sabi, mag-Mandarin na lang. Ako chulo, taga ko hindi nagmamandarin, wow. Pero sabi ko, magkano daw? $40 ang Mandarin per head? Magluto na lang ako, grabe. Ang usok, ang sakit sa mata ang usok. Yan, at least di na ganong malamig, saka hindi na umuulan. Kasi kanina earlier umuulan siya. Yan. So, tingnan natin naglagay na ako ng fish. Yo! Yan. May fish na. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ang plan kasi dapat mga ka-daily, magdi-dinner sana. Sabi, mag-Mandarin na lang. Ako chulo, taga ko hindi nagmamandarin, wow. Pero sabi ko, magkano daw? $40 ang Mandarin per head? Magluto na lang ako, grabe. Ang usok, ang sakit sa mata ang usok. Yan, at least di na ganong malamig, saka hindi na umuulan. Kasi kanina earlier umuulan siya. Yan. Yan mga ka-daily, nabot na tayo ng gabi. Kasi late na kasi natapos yung first communion ni Riley. So nabot tayo ng gabi dito sa pagluluto. Dali lang maliwanag yung ilaw natin. Ayan. Fish. Weekend. Pero malapit na rin matapos to. Ayan. Lapit na. Sakit na ng mata ko kasi yung mausok. Abdi sa mata. Ayan. Yan mga ka-daily, so medyo malami na naluto. Iwanan ko na muna to kasi gusto nyo nalang simulan yung dinner. So iwanan muna natin dyan, then pasok tayo sa loob. Alright, let's go.
Bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us. Amen.
Amen.
We did the prayer.
We are gonna play after we eat, Carmen.
Si Carmine, Carmine.
I'll sit here. I'll sit here.
Where? Look for it.
I want to look at the moon.
Yeah, look, go.
I want to look at the moon.
Okay, go. See if you can find some stars.
And I will look at the moon.
Alright.
I want to look at the moon, Daddy. The moon.
Point the telescope that way.
You see? You see I'm not looking?
Macy?
Hello?
Hello?
It's not a phone.
You try it. Like this.
Oh.
Look at this. Look at this.
What are you looking at? All right.
My eye. Auntie has great hands. Only me and Auntie has good hands.
Papa, will you open the door?
It's been.
Oh no, it's cold.
Open the door.
It's cold, buddy.
What about that? I want to look at the floor.
But it's cold. Huh?
I want to look at the floor.
No, it's cold.
Fix his nose. Is it true that I can hear a lot?
Mama press your hand.
Okay, bye.
Is it true that
Go give Mama press your hand.
that Megalodon?
Papa's coming. Give Mama press your hand. Mama press it. Mama press.
Hmm.
Is it true?
Good boy.
Oh, magbababigit sa mama.
You're not together.
That's my boy.
Say bye to the camera. Bye.
Say bye,
Camera. Bye, camera.
Hey, say bye mga ka-daily. Come on.
Bye.
Say ka-daily. Come on.
Carmine. Bye, Kadeli.
Bye.
Kadeli.
Bye, Vijay.
Ah.